So your eyes are open now. You're identifying new opportunities on a day-to-day basis in whatever field you want to like grow, in whatever field you want to make progress. Like you want to start a business, and you are seeing regularly new opportunities to do business. But how must you proceed? How must you identify the relevant opportunities? How must you think through them so that relevant pitfalls, opportunities, and threats, or your relevant strengths and weakness, get identified before actually investing in the idea itself? So I am here to present you with the six heads thinking process developed by a scientist whose name I don't remember, to help you go through that process. So hey guys, this is Naveen, and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things, and we empower you with the tools to help you achieve that. So without delay, let's get started. So imagine you have an opportunity that you want to like get into, or you have a good feeling that it will actually make progress in your life, but you are not sure like how it plays out in different scenarios. You want to like think through it, you want to like critique it, and you want to like see the positive points, you want to see the relevant threats in the future. How you must do them? Now the 6 heads thinking process come into play. What is the 6 heads thinking process is? There are 6 heads in the process. I have developed a mnemonic which is RGB BYW. RGB is the basic RGB color, and BYW you can remember by. So RGB BYW, these are the 6 colored heads which have a different meaning in itself for your thinking, how you must think through the idea to identify relevant opportunities and threat in the idea. So B is the blue, and blue represents the planning phase. The planning phase to get to your desired objective. Like you have a business opportunity, here you will develop the relevant plan, relevant steps, relevant stages to you must have to go through in order to get to the desired objective. G, green is the greenest color. Green is for opportunities. Green is for like future thinking. If you do the things and it works out, what more opportunities can it open for you in the future? So it is the color of possibilities. When you are wearing the green hat, you must think of the broader opportunities that it represents in your life. RGB. Oh sorry, we have missed the R color, the basic R color. R is red, and red is for emotion. Whatever emotions you are having for the idea, just express them. Just express the raw emotions. You are feeling hope, desire, fear, or anxiousness, or stress, or anything else. Just try to express the emotion you are having for the idea itself. The basic raw emotion. It doesn't need justification. You just have to identify the emotion you are feeling. And the next is B again. B is for black. Black means the threats that may be coming to you if you proceed to the idea. As of itself, of the planning stage, you can identify the relevant things based on your experience of the world that may be harmful for your idea in the future. Identify those threats, and the more early you identify those threats, the more early you can start working on them, and the more successful you can be in your future endeavors. So you must identify the threats in the planning stage itself. Why? Yellow. Yellow is the color of beauty. Like what if the things actually work out? What if what you are planning actually does the thing that you are planned it for? So try to imagine like what if it works out? What if you have given 2 months for it and it works out exactly how you have planned in 2 months? What is the best case scenario of the project? Try to imagine it. And the last one is W. W is white. White is the basic reality. The reality you see in the world, not like what you are imagining or what was in the past. Just try to see the reality of everything. How will everything play in the reality itself? Try to think through them, and how those things will actually come into play in your idea. Go through these thinking hats and you will have a much clearer understanding of the opportunity if you want to pursue it or not. Use these six thinking hats whenever you identify a relevant opportunity that you think is gonna help you in the future. So I hope I have provided you with a tool to empower yourself to create new opportunities and identify the ones worth following in your journey. So thank you.